Okay, so I was looking at this priceless picture by me. Isn't it grand? It's okay. Anyway, and then I saw this. This is gesso primer, picture primer for the canvas. This stuff. Anyway, I was painting new canvases, well, brushing gesso on them, and it got here. So I heard that what you do is you take a cloth. Now this is damp, you see, and I'm just going to put it here and leave it for, I don't know, an hour maybe, and let's see if the gesso comes off, because it was also on this painting here. You can see I picked it off. Mostly I didn't have the patience to wait, but here at the top, where is it? Yeah, here. You see that? Now that, you can just about see the residue, and that was, this is a varnished picture, the other one's varnished as well, where I accidentally picked the varnish layer and the protective isolation coat off. So you see where it's slightly brighter blue? That's neat paint underneath. And that's not what you want with a picture on the wall, because any kind of dust and dirt in the air, it's gonna fuse into that. It take years, but your painting is going to look dire. So that's why you need to varnish pictures. And this is the other one. And this is the other one. You see how amazing. But it's okay, isn't it? I kind of quite like this one. Anyway, so I'm going to come back in an hour and let's see what's happened with this thing. I wonder if it's... I can't remember what you're meant to use to get it off. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to try and rub it off, but when it is really, had a chance to soak. And by the way, acrylic paint, it seems impermeable, but it does absorb water, so I'm not going to keep it for too long. After an hour, I'm going to review the situation and let's see what happened. Righty-ho, right, I'm back now. Let's have a look at this. Now, I'm pretty sure, yeah, look, it just comes right off. Isn't that amazing? I'm trying not to get bloody shadow everywhere. Hang on. Right, here we are. Now, yeah, and it's right off. And like I said before, you do have to be careful with these things, because the water does sink through. Anyway, okay, here we go. It's off. Ta-da!